Good morning, student. Today we are going to read chapter 1, number system of your computer book. Chapter 1 is number system. First, we are going to introduce. First is the introduction. Computer does not understand language we speak. Suppose if what I am talking to you, the computer this thing cannot understand. Suppose if you type anything from the keyboard and it goes to computer, if you press letter K, so computer does not understand the English language. So the signals, the numbers which are the alphabet which are going to the computer is first converted into the computer's language. Computer does not understand the English language. Computer understand only the electrical signals. Computer understand only the electrical signals. Instructions, the things, any command that you are given to the computer, we call as instruction. Instructions which you are given to the computer are converted into the numbers. Converted into the numbers that are represented by the electrical signals. Suppose you are given any command, it goes in the electrical form. Then electrical signals are converted into the numbers. So computer understand the binary language. Computer understand binary language. Binary language, this is 0 and 1 form. 0 and 1 form. So computer does not understand the language we speak. Computer understand only its own language, that is the electrical signals. Signals are goes to the computer and converted into the numbers form. Clear? Computer understand 0 and 1 form, that is binary language. First is number system. We will discuss about the number system. A computer can understand positional number system. A computer can understand positional number system wherein there are only a few symbols for the digits. What we call the digits. As we discussed earlier, computer understand the binary language, that is the 0 and 1 form. So computer can understand the positional number system wherein there are only a few symbols. The few symbols what we call the digits. Now these symbols represent different values depending upon the position. Whatsoever the position is there, these values represent different values. These symbols different values depending upon the position. The most important thing is the last thing. The value of each digit can be determined by using the three things. The value of each digit can be determined by using the three digit. First one is the digit, second is the position, and third is the base of number system. How can you determine a digit? By using digit. First one is the digit, second is the position, and third is the base of number system. Moving further, first we will discuss about there is a name radix. What does the radix mean? Using number system, we has a base. Each number system has a base. So this base is also called radix. Each number system, whether it is binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal, so each having a base. So in decimal number system, the base is 10. Binary number system, the base is 2. Octal number system, base is 8. Hexadecimal number system, base is 10. Sorry, base is 16. Decimal number system, we have base 10. Binary number system, base 2. Octal number system, base 8. And hexadecimal number, base 16. Remember one thing, digits start from 0 to 9. digits start from 0 to 9, and if you are moving to the hexadecimal system, A is 10, B is 11, and so on. So this thing is about the radix, each number system having a base, each number system having its own base, decimal, 10, binary, 2, octal number system, 8, hexadecimal system, base 16. Most important thing is what we call radix equals to the base. So it depends upon the number system. It depends upon the number system, what type of number system that you are using. Either you are using the binary, so your base will be 2. If you are using the decimal number system, your base will be 10. If you are using the octal number system, your base will be 8. And if you are using the hexadecimal number system, your radix or your base is 16. So these are the base. Now let us observe the number system, or what we call as a summary that we have discussed earlier. We have read about the base number system. The first number system is binary. What is the base? We have read it earlier. Base is 2. Symbol, only 2 symbol is there, 0 and 1. Next is decimal. You can say first we can take octal. Base is 8. The symbols start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Base are 8. Symbols represent here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next is the decimal. Base, what is the base? We have discussed earlier. What is the base? 10. Symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal base is 16. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what will come? 10? No. Instead of 10, there is a A. A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, and F means 15. So you can say that hexadecimal is a start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, comma A, B, C, D, E and F. So in this way, these are the symbols, these are the bases, and these are the number system. So remember this thing, it will use a lot. So what is your homework? Whatever we have discussed in this class, you have to read it out. Thank you, students.